Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Protake app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Protake is a professional video camera app designed for mobile filmmakers, content creators, and vloggers. It offers a wide range of features like manual controls for focus, ISO, shutter speed, and white balance. Users can switch between auto and professional modes, apply LUTs in real time, and even monitor audio levels. The app also supports anamorphic lenses, frame guides, and aspect ratio overlays for cinematic shooting. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. Users really appreciate the level of control Protake gives, especially on mobile devices. The interface is sleek and intuitive, and the ability to shoot in log color profiles or use cinematic filters makes it feel like a pocket-sized film studio. Whether you're recording interviews or B-roll, the app delivers excellent video quality. But it's not flawless. Some users mention that certain features are locked behind a subscription, and the app can drain battery quickly during extended shoots. Occasional crashes on some Android models have also been reported, especially during high-resolution recording. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Protake is a strong choice for anyone serious about mobile filmmaking. It offers professional-grade tools, solid performance, and creative flexibility, all in a portable app. Just keep in mind the premium features and device compatibility if you plan to use it regularly. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.